Dear students, now we go to study about the MasterCam software. So in the MasterCam software, there are three operations or functions. One is the profile milling, pocket milling, drilling. So all the three options are conducted by using the MasterCam software. But in this session, so only we are functioning of profile milling and one drilling. So otherwise the drawing may be varied in the complication also. So according to your drawing, so you have to change the some options. But now it will be simplified having one drawing. According to your drawing, so now we go to entering the MasterCam software. So just you have to enter in the MasterCam by the double clicking of. So here already told that what are the functions of all the main menu, sub menu, working area and dialog box. Now we just how can we write the draw the drawing by using the this is the your simple experiment. So in this experiment, so there is a one profile. Profile means these are the profile. There is a one drilling options are available. So within this drawing, we have to include the pocketing, rectangular pocketing, circular pocketing are provided, but in this drawing we only having the drill option. So what is the advantages then the triac package? So here the line having the starting point and end point, but there is no starting point end point in this arc. This is the features available then the triac package. So we are not able to draw the particular line because in the triac package, so because there is no end point. But in the MasterCam software automatically will find out the tangent line. So the same process is following here. So here there is no end point for this line. So without the end line, you are not able to draw the particular line by using triac package. But in the MasterCam software, so automatically it will find out the end point by the cut section of the horizontal line and the arc, the end point will be followed. So this is the very important features available in this MasterCam and the difference between MasterCam and triac package also. So now we start the draw the particular drawing. So now we start. So first of all, so what is a boundary line available in this drawing? So here there is a one drawing. So first we go to find out the boundary line. The boundary line will be the from here to. So this is the total. This is the total x-axis. This is the total y-axis. This is the boundary line of x and y-axis. So we have to define the x0, y0 as this point. So normally we are calculated from this point to another one point. So because we are using the absolute system, so this point will be set as x0, y0. So from here to, if you move the tool in any position, the basis of this line. So from this line, what is the x value or what is the y value provided in this total available area. So first I will start the one point. The point is provided from the 0, 0, comma. So now from x0, y0. So here y-axis having 20 and x-axis having 0. So now we start the drawing by the selection of create. Next line. So first line, vertical line. Select vertical line. Again, values. So here in the dialog box it will be asking enter the coordinates. So here I am entering first x, then y, then z value. So here we are using the two coordinate system. So x and y is enough. So here first enter x. What is the x value? 0, comma. What is the y value? 20. 0, 20. Just enter. So automatically randomly the point in fixed in the screen. So what is the next point? So it will be asking specify the second end point. Again select value. What is second end point? X0, Y40. 0, comma 40, enter. So the line will be provided in the white color. So here the line not fit in the screen. If you fit the line within the screen, the line will be changed as green color. By enter, the line will be changed. So now the line will be fixed in the screen. So this is the first ND. From here to, I have to move the tool to the right hand side for 25 mm. So again main menu, create line, horizontal values. So what is the enter the first coordinate? So x0, y40, 0, 40. Enter, automatically fixed in the top position. What is the next value? X25 values, 25, 40. So here just again enter, the green color line will be provided. So the two lines only having the x data and y data, otherwise there is no provided the end point. So by using the master game option, all other curves are drafting. So now the line provided in the randomly in one position. So I am repeat these two lines in the correct location by the pressing of Alt F1. If you enter the Alt F1, the total will be rezoom. Again Alt F2, it will be minimized. Alt F2. So from here to, I have to draft the curvature. So first you have to draft the curvature, then you have to join the line. So without curvature, we are not able to join the tangent line. So first you have to draft the curvature. To draft the curvature, normally the arc or moving from 0 to 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. So here I am drafting the line from 0 to 180 by using create arc, polar, center point values. What is center point? X70, Y 20 plus 10, 30, 70, 30. So it will be asking, enter the radius. What is the radius? The radius will defined in the R30. Just now enter 30. Enter. Then it will be asking, enter the initial angle. So here there is no full round, full circle. The circle will be terminated from here to there. So now I am entering from 0. Just enter 60. And then final angle. No need to enter the 150 or 180. So after it will be closed within the 160. So the arc will be provided. The same principle is followed for the bottom arc only. So again go for main menu, create arc, polar, center point, values 70, 30. What is the radius? Same radius. Default it will be provided 30. Enter the initial angle. What is the initial angle? So here the arc start from here to there. So 0, 90, 180. 180. What is the final? No need to enter up to 360, just enter 330, anything. So this is the arc. So now I am drafting the horizontal line. So here there is no end point. So approximately I draft the horizontal line. So extreme of this arc, extreme of from here to the line will be cut this arc. So what is the value? Main menu, create, line, horizontal values. This is known value. What is the known value? X0, Y20. So next I don't have the end point. So here approximate values x60, comma 20. Enter. So the horizontal line cut the arc. So the next process will be trim this section. So this is the next process. So again you enter Alt F1 for refit your window. So now we go for to drop the another one arc, main menu, create, arc, polar, center point. What is the center point? 70 plus 70, 140, comma 30. Enter the radius. What is the radius? 14. What is the initial angle? Some 270. So beyond the 270, so here actually 200. And enter 90, 0, 90 and 150. So the final answer 330. Enter. Escape. Alt F1. Alt F2. So the wrongly entered is a value. So now I am deleting the arc, main menu, delete only arc, just select it. So redraw the arc, create arc, polar, center point, values x equal to 140, comma 30. What is the radius? 14. What is the initial angle? Initial angle will be the 270. So before 200. And the final angle 150. So this is the end of arc. So now I draw the tangent line between arcs. So here two arcs are provided, here two arcs are provided, here one arc and one point will be provided. So by using these entities, I draft the tangent line. So now we go for main menu, create, line, tangent. So here available two arcs and points. The two arcs are used to, by using these two arcs we have to drop the tangent line. The points option is used to drop the tangent line by using one arc and one point. So now we go for drop the two arcs, select two arcs. So here one arc and here one arc. So the tangent line will be drafted. The here bottom line having the two arcs, 1 and 2. But here there is no two arc, only one arc are provided, the another one is the point. So go to main menu, create, line, tangent, point. So here I am selecting one arc, then select the values. So I having the values of this point. What is the point? x25, y40. So here I am entering x25, comma 40. So automatically the point is fixed. The distance between the arc and point automatically will be calculated. Just I am entering. So the tangent line will be formed. So this is the completion of your drawing. So here I am going to modify this drawing. Here only the modifiers used. Main menu, modify. So these are the all options having the trim option, because this is the unwanted lines are trimmed by using the trim option. Trim one entity. So in the trim option, which one is the baseline? The particular line only selected as the first entity. So in this arc, this is the baseline and this is the reference line. So here it will be delimited. At the same time, so here this is the baseline, this is the reference line. So here the process will be completed. So in this area, the arc is the baseline, this is the reference line. So here the arc is baseline, this is the reference line. Here the arc is baseline, this is the reference line. So here also arc baseline, this is the reference line. Here also arc base, this is the reference. So total drawing will be created. So now just Alt F1 or Alt F2, this is a line fit. So the drawing will be completed. The next one is a circle. Main menu, create, arc, polar, center point, values. So 140, 30. What is the radius? Radius, so here the drawing, the drill diameter having 16 mm. So the radius is 8 mm. Radius is 8. Enter. So here 0 to 0. If you enter 0 to 0, the total circle will be formed. 0, enter, 0, enter. So the total circle will be formed. This is the completion of your drawing. So now I am going to toolpath. So the toolpath is very, very important, because after completion of your drawing, the toolpath is a generation of NC codes. So already told that the computer itself generates the NC codes in this Vasaryam software. So here I have to select the toolpath, the graphics, by the selection of toolpath. So there are three options: contour, drill, pocket. Now only contour and drill only available. So contour, it will be asking file name. So 123 is one of the file name, NC code file name. Save. So in the next menu will be appeared. If you want to select the chain single point, so normally you are selecting the chain, because if you start the tool, there is no any interruption between the entities. So select chain. You have to select any one entity. For example, the particular entity, the tool will be moving from this point to here. Just you have to select the close. If you select the close, the tool face will be positioned in this side. Okay, this is completion of your profile. End here. Then done. Parameter. The parameter is very, very important, because the contour depth is available. Minus 2, already told that minus 2 is the impression of your contour depth. In the 2 mm depth will be segregate rough cut 1 mm and finishing cut 1 mm defaultly. Next one is the NC code. This is the important parameters available. The tool number, so you have to select any one, and the diameter offset number normally 0, and the length offset normally 0. Cutter diameter normally 5 mm, it will be defaultly entered as a 5 mm. The corner radius, you have to divide the cutter diameter for by 2.5 mm. The stock to relieve, normally we are entering 0. So because there is no any stock in the final cut, the rapid depth also enters 0. The feed rate 150. The plunge rate also serving 150, because both are same. Spindle speed, normally we are entering 1000 based on your material, work material. The start sequence number So default it will be having the 6 and 7. So normally you are starting from 1. Increment also 1. So this is the important parameter to be entered in this section. So the next one important is the cutter compensation. So if you want to cutter compensation, if you select the off, the tool will be moving on the center point of your profile. So if you select the right, the tool diameter will be offset to the left or right according to your selection of the profile. I am selecting the right or left in computer and control, then done. So the automatically the tool rotation offset from the object line to left hand side. So this is the function of tool offset. So here it will be asking accept this toolpath segment, yes. Let's select end program. So run the post processor. So here according to your drawing, the program will be generated as a NC codes by the selection of yes. Again it will be asking NC, first it will be asking the name of NCI. So here it will be asking NC codes. This is the NC code for the machining operation. Save. So this is the computer generated codes. These codes are induced or imported to the machine. So automatically you can get these types of profile. This is the function of one operation, profile operation. So now we go for to take the pocketing program, main menu, toolpath, pocket. So here also it will be asking tool number, program number. I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, save. Here also select the chain, the particular circle. So now I am selecting the close. So there is no changes in the cutter face because this is the one circle. Start from 0 to 0. Close, end here, done. So in the pocket, roughing cut spacing 3. So based on your depth of pocket, so I am normally entering the 3 mm or 5 mm. Pocket space will be the 1 mm. The pocket depth will be the 5 mm. So it will be moving up to 5 passes. So number of passes, 4 passes will be rough cut and 1 pass will be finishing passes. So then select the done. So all, you have to select the all. So it will be changes as here. So this is the pocketing option. So pocketing option means up to the circle, the total area will be removed for the particular depth. Particular depth means we are entering 5 mm depth in Z axis. So up to 5 mm depth value, the total area will be removed. This is the pocketing. So done. Yes. End program. Run the post processor. Again save. First one is NC. This is the NC files. So this is the pocketing program. So now we complete the profile milling and the pocket milling. Then main menu. So now we are entering the drafting. So already told that in the parameters, set number 3, the diagonal height will be the 5 mm, the thickness will be the 3 mm, the decimal value will be the 0. So because there is no any decimal value, text is also 0, done. So main menu, create, drafting, dimensions, horizontal. So from here to, then if you want to entering the arc also, create arc, main menu, create, drafting, dimensions, radius. So this is the procedure to enter the dimensions. So you have to complete the on simple experiments, single experiments. There is only two operations. One is the profile operation, another one is the pocketing operation, circular pocketing operation. So beyond these operations, so there are so many operations are performed in the mass spectrometry software. That's called rectangular pocketing, circular pocketing, and so many drills are provided in this one area. So these are the extreme procedure operations available in MasterCam. So this is a very simple one drawing. So I am completing this session up to this functions. So now I am going to exit this MasterCam. Yes. Thank you.